Hey everyone, there are so many myths and misconceptions regarding hair extensions, and today I'm going to be busting a few. So let's get started. Myth 1. Hair extensions pull on your natural hair, damage it and make your hair fall out. This is a very common misconception, but it's actually not true. If you clip them incorrectly, they won't pull or tug on your hair at all. If you want to know the correct way of clipping them in, then click on the link above. Myth 2. Hair extensions are always expensive. Yes, hair extensions which are made out of real hair like this one are slightly expensive because they are made out of a real good quality natural hair. They go through various procedures to get the best color possible so they match our real hair color perfectly. They are super thick and long, and they come with really good quality wefts which are so important as they will last you so much longer. These also help in fitting in perfectly, causing no harm to your natural hair. The 10-piece clip-in set are not expensive anymore. The 100-gram set is starting at 5,900 and the 160-gram set is starting at 12,000. Hair extensions won't blend into your hair color when you purchase online. So if your hair extensions don't match, please don't worry. You can get your purchase to any of the two Diva Divine boutiques which are in Delhi and Mumbai and exchange it for a different color, or you can simply exchange it over mail. I have left a lot of details in the description box regarding exchange, shipping and after sales service, so please do not forget to check it out. Myth 4. People will know I'm wearing hair extensions. That's actually not true. If you attach the right size of weft at the right place, no one will know you're wearing hair extensions. The 2-piece set is attached at the nape area like this. The 3-piece set is attached at the center of the head. And the widest piece in the set is attached at the crown, as this is the widest part of the head. And the single individual pieces are attached on either side of the head like this. And this way they blend in seamlessly without showing at all. Myth 5. Hair extensions demand regular care at a salon. That's actually false. Just like how you would take care of your hair extensions require the same amount of care. After all, they are made out of real hair too. So just brush them gently, starting from the bottom first, moving upwards, and this way you will easily detangle them without them getting damaged or breaking. Twist it around gently and fold it like this to store it. Gently push it inside the package and clip it. And always use heat protectant on your hair extensions before using any styling tool. Myth 6. It isn't safe to purchase online. So the fact is, like any other online purchase, this purchase is also safe and secure. The Diva Divine website securely transmits all your credit card details, but it's never stored or accessible by third parties. 7. Hair extensions are not made of natural Indian hair and not made locally in India. So these extensions are 100% human hair extensions. They are sourced and locally made using a natural Indian hair. They are made in India and shipped from their facilities in Delhi. Myth 8. Extensions take too long to arrive when you purchase online. Not at all. Shipping is fast and free within India. Most customers will receive their orders within a few days. 9. Hair extensions can weigh and pull on your real hair, causing headaches. That's actually not true. Avoid clipping them directly on the scalp. Instead, leave a little space and then clip them in. Move them around slightly for a better grip and then clip them in. This way they will stay nice and secure and won't pull on the hair at all. Myth 10. Hair extensions don't last long and don't allow you to experiment with different styles and looks. This is false. In fact, hair extensions are the only way you can actually experiment with your hair. It adds thickness and length to the hair immediately. You can style your hair in different ways because of the added length and thickness. You can also achieve an ombre highlighted effect by using a lighter colored extension on the lower part like this and then attach the one matching your hair color on top. This will only give color towards the ends, making it look highlighted and give your hair color an instant change. These beautiful hair extensions can be purchased online or in a Diva Divine boutique in Delhi or Mumbai. For more information, visit divadivinehair.co.in.